Oh hell yeah. AB's from the 323s. Yeah, this time I'm gonna make a different video. Um I will make a separate video analyzing the charts, but this time what I want to do is I want to go over every single note that I had in the past trading Forex. And I'm just gonna go over all of this shit, all of this shit. So I could just get nah, I guess not get rid of it, but just kind of see what the fuck I was on before, you know? Oh, we can start with this. ABZ trading plan. This is a trading plan that I had May 9th, 2021. And it's looking like a whole lot of motherfucking steps. It's got 12 steps on this bitch, man. Scan chart on daily and H4 for a clear trend. Place support and resistance trend lines on daily and H4. Wait for price to break past support resistance level. Wait for price to come back past a support or resistance level. Utilize the Fibonacci's golden zone. Once the price has rejected the level, use confluence with Fibonacci. If all this occurs, place an entry at the level. Place a stop loss on the other side of the level. Place final target at the next clear support resistance level. Keep trading opportunities at a 1-1 risk to reward. Let the trade hit, take profit or stop loss. Manage risk if price is headed towards take profit, take partial profits if it covers stop loss at a minimum. So now looking back at this, I can see why it's better to just have about 5 main steps, because it's like number 11, let the trade hit, take profit or stop loss. That's kind of given. Like I don't even really have to type that shit in. What else? Keep trading opportunities at a 1-1 risk to reward. Like, yeah, of course. Like, and then wait for price to break past support resistance level. In parentheses, it says H4 or H1. It's not very clear. It's just kind of going on a whim. Like it's just, oh yeah, up to you, do whatever you want. But no, fuck that. On this new one, I'm gonna be, I'm already super specific as to what I want to do, and I think that's what's gonna make the difference. So this is one of my notebooks for trading, and let's see what the fuck we got going on, man. About to go through all this. This one's actually more recent. I want to start with something older. So I got this sniper notebook, the snipe log. We got the sniper notes right here. All right, yeah. Let's start with this sniper log right here. So daily trading journal. Risk to reward ratio 1-3. Okay, I was doing this in June 23rd, 2020. Risking 5 to 10% of the fucking account. Jesus. So I'm just gonna skim through this. I'm not gonna read the whole thing. It's Tuesday, 6/23/20. So on Saturday and Monday together, I made $60. Not bad at all. And I'm pretty sure this was this might actually, I don't know if this was binary options. And that's not bad at all. Damn, that's half of what an 8-hour shift is. If I was full-time with the job, that's 4 hours, but it was always signals. Yeah, I was in a signal group. I need to hit these on my own. I need to do more demo. Also, I can divide my lot sizes so I can enter multiple trades. If I risk 10% of my account, that's $15. So my lot size is just fit accordingly. Also, I'm about $50 negative right now. Put 0.05 in SPX. I'll update tomorrow morning. I lost 95. I actually remember this happening. I put that trade in, losing almost $100 fucking dollars. And I was like, yo, what the fuck is going on? I just put a 0.05 lot size. But it's so different with indices. It's different with gold. Lot sizes aren't the same as what they are with Forex pairs. And I'm still not entirely sure how much more they are. But I know that it's you have to put smaller lot sizes because it's not the same as Forex. Tuesday, June 25th, entered a couple signals, realizing more and more daily that this shit is something that I will forever be a student in. Yeah, for sure. But there's a beauty in it that is very humbling, knowing that it will take so much time to master this. Wow. Same with track, same with music. Well, tomorrow, SPX 500 should, what the fuck does that say? Yeah, I don't know what that says. It should something. We gonna see how it goes. Yeah. Sunday, June 28th. Fuck. It's my dad's birthday. He's 52. God damn, this is for them. I have to do this for them. Yes, feeling mad, motivated right now. Oh, unmotivated. Damn. I'll never quit. But as of right now, I feel as though this is going nowhere. Damn. But then again, I can't say I've gone 100%. Yeah, okay. Okay. Shit. Scared of failure. Shallow failure. It's an illusion. I like it. 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 So the other ones, I'm just kind of showing the account balance, shit like that. Yeah, I was putting in all my trades. I was writing them down, which is lucky a waste of time because now that I've been on this Google Sheets shit, man, it's so fucking easy to just Google Sheets all of this shit, all of my trades. So you feel me? Fuck it. Whoa, yeah, yeah, okay, okay. I got this really good ass journal in here. I'm gonna read that shit for another day. Research plan, test, review, optimize, repeat. Research plan, test, review, optimize, repeat. I like that. Yeah, optimize. I feel like I'm gonna optimize. Not even. I'm gonna test. I'm gonna test phase right now. Then we're gonna review it. Then, like I said, I think in the last video, decide whether or not I'm gonna use fib or whether or not I'm gonna use 1-to-2 risk reward ratio or 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. But we gonna fuck with it. We gonna fuck with it. Yeah, so I think all of this shit was just binary options on some shit. And yes, I used to be an IML, unfortunately, but thankfully, it got me into something I low-key always wanted to do. I've been wanting to do stocks, forex, just be a retail trader in the markets. I remember always thinking about doing this. And I don't even remember how I wanted to do this, whether I saw it in like a movie or like if I just heard of it as an actual profession and shit. Like I really don't remember. I just knew I wanted to do something like this. Action items, natural tendencies. Yeah, this notebook right here is like all the I was gonna say MLM shit. Low key was an MLM, but IML shit. How can you improve current life priorities? Nice. Wow. Self-discipline equals greater gifts ahead. Yeah, yeah, but I'm fucking with that. There's some cool mindset shit in here. The mindset shit was cool. Yeah, I think that's the end of it. Yeah, that's the end of it. No, for sure. Hey, I'm gonna use this notebook too, because I only use like what 20% of it. So valid notebook sniper log. I'm glad I reviewed this. Next, onto the sniper notes. Full. Yeah, baby. This whole thing is full. We gonna go through this shit right now. Sniper notes. Oh yeah, this is the beginning right here. This is where this is where it all started. $7 billion in the Forex market. June 1st, 2020. 8 most common symbols: euro, US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, which I don't trade for some reason. Honestly, I don't know why I don't trade it. I just never did. AUD, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Cool. So I got most of these pairs except Swiss franc and the New Zealand dollar. Pretty valid. Other symbols: SEK, Swedish krona. Yeah, I don't even trade that. Danish krone, Norwegian. Yeah, I don't trade those. Most common liquid 7 pairs. Damn. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, NZD USD, AUD USD. Huh. NZD USD is a top 7 common liquid pair. I did not know that. I might have to throw that in the arsenal. Currency exchange rates. Oh yeah, bro. This is the beginning, bro. It's talking about fractional pips, Currencies are quoted in pairs, mostly 4 decimal points. Yeah. The base currency and the quote currency. Yeah. And Forex, international online currency marketplace with 5.4 trillion. Oh, fuck. Circulating daily. I forgot about that. Signal, suggestion for entering the trade, yada, yada. Cool. Currency exchange rates. While all other pairs are quoted to 4 decimal points, the JPY pairs are quoted to 2 decimal points. Right. So 1 pip is equal to 0.01. A pip, price and interest point. Pip is the smallest change in value for any given Forex quote. Yeah. When Euro USD moves from 1.3505 to 1.3506, it's a movement of 1 pip. One standard lot, 100,000. Wait, what? One standard lot is 100,000 of the base currency. Right. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. This contract sizes on this shit. I think this shit is jacked up. I don't know what happened. When you buy a standard lot of Euro USD, you're buying 100,000 euros with US dollars. Huh. Okay, so you're buying the base currency. Mm, mm, mm. Anyways, profit over loss, number of pips times number of lots times value per pip per standard lot. Okay. We got the lot sizes here. Yeah, Yeah, a lot of this stuff obviously is gonna be super, super basic. But it's good to review this shit. I mean, yeah, there we go. When the Euro USD is going up, it means that the euro is appreciating against the dollar, or the dollar is depreciating against the euro. The euro is going up and the US dollar is going down. Therefore, we would go long on Euro USD. If you buy Euro USD, the profit. Oh shit, that's interesting. So if you buy Euro USD at a certain price range and sell it at another price range, then the profit is as follows. The difference, so it's 40 pips times $10 times one standard lot equals $400. Where did I get the $10 from though? Oh, that's the value per pip. Yeah. So value per pip. No, what? Oh yeah, value per pip per standard lot, that's $10. The number of lots is one standard lot, and then the number of pips is 40 pips. That's a cool one. I'm gonna write that shit down. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. Damn, I didn't bring my lucky pen. Profit loss. Stop playing with him. Dollar value per pip. Cool. There we go. Yeah, the lot size is $100,000 named standard. Pip value 10. Right. So if I were to put 10 in the MetaTrader, that's equal to $100. That's one pip movement. So that's crazy. So standard lot size, every pip is gonna be $100 movement. And that's the thing, if you get in a trade with a standard lot size pip value, your shit finna go down to like $400 immediately. Immediately, as soon as you get into the trade, just for the fact that you gotta pay the broker. You know, it's that commission. They take that shit right away automatically. That's why it's always negative. $10,000 lot size is mini, pit value is 1 equals $10. $1,000 micro, 0.01. No, my bad, 0.1, $1. $100 lot size, name nano, 0.01, one that I'll be using, 10 cents. When your Euro USD is going up, it means that the euro is appreciating against the dollar, right? Yeah. Okay. I kind of want to look at some mindset stuff. Honestly, I'm gonna just run this video. Fuck it, if it's gonna be an hour, it's gonna be an hour. Shit. Forex is run electronically via banks. There is no central exchange. Different banks around the world get active at different parts of the day. If it is 1 a.m. in Singapore, it will be p.m. for Eastern Standard Time on New York. The goal is to profit returns 5 to 20% a month. Forex is quoted in currency pairs. Each currency is given a 3-letter code. 1 pip is at the fourth decimal place for non-yen pairs. For yen pairs, it is at the 2nd decimal place. 1 standard lot is 100,000 of the base currency. The leverage is what allows us to get good returns. When you buy 1 standard lot of Euro USD, you're buying 100,000 euros with US dollars. A pip price and percentage point in Forex is the minimum price movement of a currency pair. The power of leverage. In Forex, brokers allow traders to leverage up to 1 to 100. This means you can buy, sell USD 100,000 with just USD 1,000 margin. In most trading situations, we usually only leverage up to 120. This means that with a USD $10,000 account, we buy, sell up to $200,000 USD per trade. I'm not fucking with that. I'm not gonna leverage shit that fucking high, bruh. Because if you take a loss, man, you're losing money that you don't have. So you going negative as fuck. This is all that is required to achieve exceptionally high returns. Yeah, I get that. I'm not there yet. Just keep it stacked. I'm not there yet. So fuck that. 4 kinds of Forex traders. Number 1, scalpers. Number 2, day traders. Number 3, swing traders. Number 4, position traders. I guess I'm a day trader. Target 20 to 40 pips per trade. Yeah. Trade duration within a day. Charts M15 hour H4. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, it's safe to say I'm a day trader. I've been thinking about scalping though. I'm not gonna lie. I've been thinking about scalping. Types of orders: buy, sell, market execution. Yeah, I don't even do none of these. I don't do buy limits. I don't do sell limits. I don't do sell stops. That's something that I do want to implement though in the future. Maybe even with like Bitcoin. You know, why not try with cryptos? But right now I was just doing market execution. Risk management. Oh yes, the most important fucking thing of all. NFP week, great risk management, 0.01 lot sizes on harmonic scanner. Oh, cool. The spread. If you subtract asks minus bids, it equals a spread. This Forex Pro majors, the spread stays low. Do not look at anything with the spread over 30. Huh, interesting. I kind of remember that. Yeah, over 30. That's a big ass spread actually. If I'm not mistaken, the spread is I guess the gap in which your trade may possibly fall. So if you're in a gap of 30, a spread with 30, and it's this big, and you want to buy, you want to be on the low end of that spread if you're anticipating a bullish move. But if you get into that trade and the spread is 30, you have a chance of being in the trade in this distance. So you could get at the highest point of the spread, which is not what you want if you're buying, because you're missing out on all these pips right here. So you're just going right here and then that bullish move. Whereas if you got in at the lowest point of the spread, you could have gained those extra pips right there with that spread. That's kind of my understanding of it. M30 is some good pip count. What? The cross helps to see the date and time, right? The lot size is the most important thing when trading. You do not want to over leverage. Fuck no. Do not risk over 10% of deposit. Hell no. Anything that passes under or over the line. Oh yeah, then we got the buy, stop, sell, and yada, all that shit. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Now this is just describing buy stops, sell stops and shit. Best days to trade: midweek, most volatility and volume in the market. Fridays, less liquidity. Yeah, markets are closing. Yeah, Sunday and Monday markets are generally waking up, still sleepy and slow. Indices moves a lot faster pace than any other currencies. Must have at least $500 in account. Okay, that's fair. Signal example. No, okay, fuck this. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Patience is key. Do not close out of a trade when in red. I don't know about that though. If you really, well, if I'm really at a loss, I'm probably gonna get out. I'm probably gonna get out. Oh yeah, major areas. The banks and government set levels in the market. They know what they want the exchange rates to be at. So they like even round numbers: 1.100, 1.150, 1.200, etc. These are major key areas that will differ from chart to chart as well as time frame. Yeah, I remember this. I don't go off of it too much because I don't know. I just never got into it like that, but I think this still holds true. I was watching videos of this one trader who's he was super valid. I'm not gonna say his name, but he would trade to the pit. His stop loss would be at a pit and shit, and he would use exact numbers like this to set his Fibonacci levels. I thought that shit was cool as fuck, honestly, but to each his own. Whatever works for you works for you, you know? Leverage does not decrease risk. Brokers make it possible for you to borrow virtual currency so you can capture bigger movements in the market. Broker allows more capital than you deposited, allows to magnify the movement of a currency exchange. Yeah. Japanese candle patterns, baby. Single patterns, doji, marubozu, yeah. Shooting star hammer, inverted hammer, double patterns, tweezer top, tweezer bottom, double top, double bottom, bullish and bearish engulfing candles, triple pattern, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, the morning star and the evening star. Indicators to use. I'm not going to say that. Fuck that. Moving average. Damn. It says look for more info on this. It's just fucking blank. Look at that shit. Yeah, that's another thing that I might utilize in the future, but I don't know. Fibonacci. Oh, yeah, it's a retracement tool. It tells us when price is retracing, what price is doing in the market. One of the most important tools. Fibonacci will indicate whether your TP should be at, where your TP should be at, depending on how the market moves. Yeah, super valid. Confluence trading, Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. When one or more trading techniques or analysis are used to increase your odds of winning a trade. Yep. When to use. In a downtrend, price goes all the way down and then comes up a little bit. When price starts coming up a little bit, that is when you draw your Fibonacci retracement. So fuck yeah. Yep. These are always take profit, 27% and a 61.80%. The chart will usually reverse off of 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6. You did. Say it once, don't gotta say it again. Moving averages, two lines, one red, one blue that are behind candlesticks on the chart. You know, I'm not even gonna look into this, not yet. I'm gonna just keep sticking to my plan, and when I get the chance, I'll come back to this moving average shit because I do want to fuck with that. Candlesticks. Where did the price? Where did the price close relative to the range? What's the size of the pattern relative to the earlier ones? Interesting. Margin and leverage. Three types of analysis: technical analysis, combination of support, resistance, trend lines with the market. It helps us to give reading of where the market is going. Fundamental analysis, something I really need to do. I don't even think I looked at one news outlet or article or whatever since I started this trading journey. But even though I have all the fucking websites, I know which websites to go on. I'm gonna have to hit that shit up. Fundamental analysis, economic news and world events happening on a global scale via forexfactory.com. Yep. Sentimental analysis, developed over time. Yeah, through intuition. Yeah, learning how to read price action, understanding how price is feeling. Use wicks to read market. Yeah, that shit cool. Intuition. That's when this shit gets into like a sport. You have to, you gotta start using your intuition. Fuck with that. Yeah, so more basic support, resistance, trend lines. What is a trend? Understanding candlesticks. Yeah, support is the floor, resistance is the ceiling. Yeah, this is when I was really, really early, man. I'm glad I kept this though. Let me know how far I've come. Profit maximization, 10% risk management rule. Yeah, I don't know about that. Now it's like 1%. And even then, I'm making like 30 bucks a trade. You feel me? 40 bucks a trade. I might up it to 3%. Let's say you have 100 in your account. That means your max lot size is 0.10. Make sure your stop loss is in half of your CP. Keep risk reward ratio 1 to 3. Re-enter the trade when you go negative. The only difference is where you entered the trade. Yeah, fuck. I don't know about that. Yeah, so a lot of market structure, price action, this crazy ass shit called the 450 strategy that I used to do. And it had an EMA, a moving average, a second moving average, a moving average and exponential moving average cross, a SAR, I forgot what the fuck that is, and the RSI, and the MACD, and the momentum, and the second MACD, and the directional movement indicator. Jesus Christ, bro. Come on, bro. Best price action strategy. Yeah, banks are usually like flat numbers. That's right. 1.91000, 1.9000. Scale to the 2 hour to 1 hour. Make it transparent, but yeah. No, for sure. Yeah. Key levels, a lot of trend stuff, a little bit about retracement, but it's like, I feel like even with this information right here, I could have started doing what I'm doing now, because it's a lot of, because I feel like during this time right here, I was really learning. But after a certain point, you can't really learn anymore. It's like you just got to put in the time and see how your psychology. Oh, you got some credit card shit right here. See how your psychology works with the market and see what comes out of it. But sometimes this shit was just analysis paralysis and just trying to study more shit, thinking it's gonna make me better. But really, all the technical analysis studying, it's already been done. I really don't have to do any more technical analysis because I do it every day. I'm practicing it every day, live in the account. Not the live account, but demo with the live market. I think now it's more studying candlesticks and how they move. Candlestick patterns for sure. I feel like those have a. I think the homie pulled up. Yeah, studying candlesticks for sure, man. Candlestick patterns and shit. But like I said, analysis paralysis, man. I feel like I was in that shit like probably most of this year. Because I had the plan set already. I didn't realize how easy it was for me already. I just had to follow it. That's it. Daily writing. Nice. Some old ass journals. Talking about my skin routine and shit. Hey, fuck that. What's up with the Forex? Jesus, the 450 strategy again. Jesus Christ. Yes. Here we go. Some psychology shit. Do not overcomplicate anything. What are you, dumb? 1,000 people, and 1,000 people, you're going to find 20 good traders. Simplify it. Resistance and support trend lines. 90% of this is psychology. It's one thing to understand it, but once I'm how do I say this? It's one thing to understand it, but to practice it completely and know that those gears are working, that it's 90%. Man, that's some other shit. Take your emotions out of it. Trust analysis. You won't win every single trade. Losing is part of the trading. Look at the weekly results. That's a good one, bro. I'm going to have to write this down. Look at weekly results. And then maybe even monthly. Was I positive ROI monthly? Was I positive ROI weekly? Greed is the enemy. You can only go as far as you want to go. Take small withdrawals. It's like a big ass giant market of just psychology. We're all playing in this game. We're all picking at what is the manifestation of physical human psychology on a chart. We're all plotting, thinking where the market's going to go. And it's really just a play on human psychology in a way. And we're all just picking at it, making our predictions. It's kind of fucking insane, actually. It's kind of fucking cool. And I guess it's really a test of your own psychology then, because if everyone is doing their own thing, why would I ever want to copy someone else's journey or copy someone else's trading plan when my psychology is going to be completely different from theirs. Maybe there's some rules in their plan that just don't accommodate me, that just don't fit me, don't fit with my psychology like jigsaw puzzle piece, and they just don't make sense to me. I think that's why it's better to just stick with one thing and then after that review it, see what I could have done better. Because if I stick with that one thing, it's going to be a play on my psychology for sure, but it's going to be consistently the same thing. Nothing's going to change on it. So once that journey is done, then I could go ahead and implement some new strategies, some new moves, because then I know that it's just me. I know that it's just my psychology at work with this one trading plan. So ain't no need to look at anybody else's journey because their brain functions differently from mine. You know, we all have a different chemical imbalance. We're all very different. The way we view the market, the way we see the market. It's all just perception, I think, then, because with experience, like I said earlier, like I read earlier, with experience will come intuition. And that's like, man, I gotta be so in tune with the market to reach that level. I think that's like pro status right there, no cap. Yeah, a lot more Fibonacci stuff, support resistance shit, you know, breaking retest. Yeah, man, I have it all right here, man. I had it all right here. I even drew out the fucking candles. I had it all right here, man. Analysis paralysis will fuck you, bro. It's all right here. Oh my God, bearish, bullish. This is the top. This is the best one right here. This is the best one right here. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, the naked forex books. That's right. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is all I need in here, bro. This is all I need in here, bro. Yeah. Yeah. This has everything I ever need. Hmm. Interesting. Wow. This is a journal from January 10th, 2020. Make yourself more efficient. Navigate yourself. In a sense, you have to create the best self possible. You cannot have anyone else. You cannot have anyone else have greater expectations of yourself than yourself. Be accountable to yourself. Be the man that you're trying to become. It's not easy, but you have to get better. There are choices to all of this. Choices. Don't allow your bad habits and negative tendencies. All of it is black and white, black and white. You know the right decision, just make it. Two choices. One will make you better, choose the right one. Wow. I'm gonna hold on to this one. I'm gonna review this again some other time. Oh wow, this is completely empty. Wow, this is yeah. I don't even know that. Hmm. You got some Shakespeare right here. It says torture and not mercy. Heaven is here, where Juliet lives, and every cat and dog and little mouse, every unworthy thing live here in heaven and may look on her. But Romeo may not. Damn, I have a whole ass empty notebook. This red one, I got some psychology shit in here for sure. Yeah. Define priorities, Forex, music, acting. Define distractions, phone, social media, mirrors. Reward yourself for focusing on your goals, internal versus external focus. Focus on what you want. Cool. Wow. Yeah, psychology shit, cool. Cool. So this was another notebook that whole focus heavily on Fibonacci and just basic. Yeah, it's the same shit, man. It's just double tops and double bottoms is where this is at. Identifying your session, news, forexfactory.com. Yeah, of course. Taking partial profits. Yeah. Yeah, it's all kind of the same. I'm gonna read a little bit more psychology and then I'll be done. Habits, a settled behavior, tendency to do something regularly, often characterized by being hard to stop doing. Workout, trading system. Good habits, workout, training system, healthy eating, bad, junk food, bad sleep, social media, not following the trading system. Create your own path. Only you know what you can do based on the opportunities in front of you. Yeah, play the cards you're dealt with. Habits, set pain, a physical or emotional discomfort, suffering generally caused by stimulation that is unpleasurable. Pain teaches lessons. Actively seek out and embrace the painful things that your mind routinely tries to avoid. Ask yourself what you have to gain by facing the painful things head on and overcoming them. Self-discipline, the ability to regulate your emotions, thoughts, and behavior despite temptations and impulses. Helps you get towards your goals more efficiently, effectively, efficiently. Willpower, motivation inspires. Oh, willpower, motivation, inspirations drains quick. Discipline. Discipline, man. Discipline. That's it. Super solid, man. A B's from the 323Z. Man, I'm out, bro.